Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Honda CB400 is a highly anticipated model that continues the legacy of Honda's mid-range street motorcycles. This bike, known for its balance of performance, reliability, and everyday usability, has been a favorite among riders looking for a versatile and stylish machine. The latest iteration brings several refinements while staying true to its roots, making it a compelling option for both new and experienced motorcyclists. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 CB400 is its design. Honda has managed to retain its classic naked bike aesthetic while incorporating modern touches. The round LED headlight, muscular fuel tank, and minimalist tail section give it a retro-modern appeal that attracts both young riders and seasoned enthusiasts. The updated digital instrument cluster provides all essential information with improved readability, ensuring a seamless riding experience in various conditions. Under the hood, the CB400 continues to impress with its refined 399cc parallel twin engine. Known for its smooth power delivery and strong mid-range torque, this engine offers an ideal blend of performance and efficiency. It produces approximately 46 horsepower, making it perfect for city commutes and highway cruising. Honda's engineers have fine-tuned the engine for better fuel efficiency and cleaner emissions, ensuring compliance with the latest environmental regulations. The assistant slipper clutch enhances gear shifts, reducing rider fatigue, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The handling characteristics of the 2025 CB400 are another highlight. Built on a lightweight yet rigid steel frame, the bike offers excellent stability and agility. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension have been improved to provide a comfortable ride over different road surfaces. Whether navigating urban streets or carving through winding roads, the CB400 remains responsive and predictable. The bike's ergonomics are designed for comfort, with a slightly upright riding position that reduces strain on the wrists and back, making it suitable for longer rides. Honda has equipped the CB400 with advanced braking technology to ensure rider safety. The dual-disc front brakes, combined with a single rear disc and ABS, offer strong and controlled stopping power. The addition of Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, enhances grip on slippery surfaces, providing extra confidence in adverse weather conditions. This feature, typically found on higher-end models, is a welcome addition to the CB400, making it an even more attractive C. In terms of technology, the 2025 CB400 doesn't disappoint. The new model includes smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and music through a Bluetooth-enabled display. The USB charging port is another practical addition, catering to the needs of modern riders who rely on their devices for navigation and communication. These features make the CB400 not just a fun motorcycle to ride but also a practical one for daily. One of the biggest selling points of the CB400 has always been its affordability and low maintenance costs. Honda's reputation for reliability ensures that owners won't have to worry about frequent repairs or high service expenses. The fuel efficiency of the bike also contributes to its cost-effectiveness, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly yet stylish motorcycle. Overall, the 2025 Honda CB400 is a well-rounded package that appeals to a wide range of riders. Its combination of classic styling, modern technology, and refined performance makes it a standout in the mid-range motorcycle segment. Whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable first bike or an experienced rider seeking a practical yet fun machine, the CB400 delivers on all fronts. Honda has once again proven why the CB series remains one of the most beloved names in motorcycling history.